Today I'm going to talk about all things aging. We'll also look at the best skincare routine that you can do with your skin. Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay and I work here at Neo Elegance. I've worked here for about a year now as an aesthetics therapist. However, I have actually been in the industry for 36 years now. So what's best to use? Well, I'll tell you what I use on my skin. As I say, my skin does suffer from more aging signs. So I do have more dehydration. My skin can get dry. I have a little bit of a loss of elasticity, and I need to maintain the collagen elastin in my skin, as well as giving it that healthy glow. So my routine every day is quite simple. It's a little bit more extensive, but it is still simple. And I have my products right next to me. I line them up and apply them one after the other. So I actually do my routine every single day and night. So first of all, I'll double cleanse my skin because then I want to make sure that everything is completely removed. I also then will use a mild microfoliator on my skin to remove dead skin cells, because that just helps to enhance and slough off all those cells that are being produced on a daily basis. Then I will actually tone the skin. So I use a toner. For me, I actually, rather than spritzing, because my skin does get quite dehydrated, I will actually put 1 to 2 pumps in my hand and press that in. Then I will apply my moisturiser, which does contain an SPF, so that's nice and easy, and my eye cream. And of course, underneath my moisturiser, I will always put my serum. So depending on what I'm targeting at that time, as I've said, whether that's a vitamin C type serum or a retinol would be at night, of course. That would depend on the serum I would use underneath my moisturiser, but I'm getting really good effects by using those on a daily basis. Then at night, what I would actually do is double cleanse my skin again. I would use a deeper exfoliant because I want to go deeper to remove more skin cells to get that fresher, plumper skin. And then I also apply my serum and then tone the skin, moisturise, and I don't need an SPF, of course, but I do actually use my eye cream as well. And that is my full routine, so it's really quick and easy to do. So with regard to exfoliants, then we normally recommend which one would be best for you, because some of them would depend on obviously what your skin condition is like and how often you would need to use that exfoliant. On the marketplace, you do get some microfoliants which are gentle enough to be used every single day. And if you imagine that we can produce about 1 million dead skin cells every 40 minutes to an hour, then that's quite a lot of skin cells. So a microfoliator can be advised if need be for your skin to slough off those dead skin cells. But we do want to normally go deeper, so a different type of exfoliant can be advised, and that will go deeper in the skin to remove more dead skin cells, because that way we get fresher, more plumper, hydrated skin by going a lot deeper with the types of exfoliation. But again, this is best to have that recommended to you. So if you're not sure where to start, then keep it simple and start very small. So double cleansing the skin is vitally important, so make sure you do that double cleanse and start off with a moisturiser with an SPF, and that way you're helping to prevent aging on your skin naturally anyway, and also just starting that process of looking after your skin. Then you can always build on your routine bit by bit with some advice. So thank you so much for listening, everybody. I hope you found that really, really helpful and you've got some great tips to take away. Please do check out all our other videos. We have lots there and lots of information to help you in everything that you need. And if you have any questions, then just drop us a question and we will answer that for you. And we look forward to seeing you soon.